Okay, so you want to count if with all criteria. In my scenario, I want to count the number of transactions in the London and Swansea branches. So I'm going to show you 4 different ways of doing it with these 4 functions. So the first method does use COUNTIF. So my range is the range of branches, comma, and the criteria is London. And then I'd add the result of an additional COUNTIF. So my range is the branch column, comma, and my criteria is Swansea. Close the bracket, press enter, adds the result of the 2 COUNTIFs together, and I get a result of 8. The second method uses the filter function, and this is available in Excel 365. So filter. My array would be the list of branches. In the include argument, I need to express a logical test. So my first logical test would be, does the branch equal London? I'd need to put that in brackets. And then I'd add the results of another logical test. Now, this logical test also needs to go in brackets. And I'd say, is the branch equal to Swansea? Close the bracket for that logical test, and then for filter, and I press enter. Now filter will spill its results into surrounding cells, but you can see it's picked up all the London and Swansea branches in the branch column. And what I then want to do is count the number of branches that have been returned by the filter function. So I'd put this within count A, and I get the same result as up here. Now another option is SUMPRODUCT, and this will work in any version of Excel. So we would express our first criteria, does the branch equal London? And if I highlight that logical test, you can see that it's returning a series of trues and falses. Now I want to convert the trues to a 1 and the falses to a 0. The way to do that is to put 2 minus signs in front of the logical test and then put the logical test in brackets. Now if I select that now, you can see it's returning a series of 1s and 0s. So I'd then say plus, minus, minus, open bracket, and express my second criteria. So does the branch equal Swansea? Close the bracket again for SUMPRODUCT. Press enter, I get the same result. Now if you're in Excel 365, you can do exactly the same thing but with sum rather than SUMPRODUCT. Equals sum, open bracket, minus minus, open bracket, does the branch equal London? Close bracket, comma, minus minus, open bracket, does the branch equal Swansea? Close bracket, press enter, you get the same result. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.